Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day. In today's video, I will be going ahead and picking up the all-new iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go! Okay, so I just picked up the iPhones. I got the iPhone 15 Pro in the white titanium. This is also in the 256GB. I'm excited to open this up. I will be making an unboxing on these iPhones. With this phone, I also got the matching clear case to go with it, so you can show off the white titanium. To be completely honest though, this clear case is $69, which is very expensive. I've personally gotten cases that were 10 bucks off of Amazon, and they have helped me up a very long time. So I'm expecting a lot from this case. Then I got the iPhone 15 in the color black, and this is in the 128GB storage. And I got the same exact case to go with it, and again, it is $69. So on total for the cases, I spent $150, so I'm really hoping they build up to the hype. I'm going to be making an unboxing video on these, so stay tuned.